Today's video is going to be very special because I am going to show you how people are earning real dollars online by selling YouTube thumbnails made with AI. Yes, you heard that right. Thumbnails that are created in just a few seconds using AI tools and then sold to clients all around the world for real money. And the best part is, you don't need to be a designer, coder, or expert. Everyone, even a beginner, can do this. So, if you are looking for a small but powerful online earning ideas, stay till the end because I will show you step by step how you can create your own AI thumbnail making app using Google AI Studio totally free in just 3 simple steps. So, let's begin. Step 1 will be creating a AI thumbnail app. Our step 2 will be testing this app, and step 3 will be deploying this app and selling thumbnails online. So let's start with our step 1. First, go to Google AI Studio. It's a free tool by Google where you can build your own AI apps without coding. Once you are on the website, click on Build section. Now you will give Google AI Studio a small prompt and super simple prompt. Just copy and paste this text. I have also added it in the video description for you. The prompt is build an AI app to generate YouTube thumbnails in 16:9 format with gradient colors and neon text. One side should have a creator's headshot image and other side should have video title. Okay, so we have given the prompt. Now I am clicking on build app button. Okay, that's it. Now sit back and relax. Google AI Studio will create your entire app in a few seconds. It will handle everything: the code, the logic, design, and the user interface. In a moment, you will see a full dashboard appears. Here you can also see the coding happens for this particular app. If you want to change and you are a coder, a developer, you can change this app by developing or modifying this code. It has a space to upload your photo, a box to type your thumbnail text, and a big generate button from where you can generate your thumbnail. Where you click on generate and your thumbnail will appear below, ready to download instantly. It's that simple. Now our second step will be testing this app. Now let's test how it app work. I will upload my headshot photo and type make website using AI. Then I will click on generate button. And just like that, I hope it will make best thumbnail for us. Let's wait for few seconds more. Yes, and the app has created a professional thumbnail. It looks amazing. Colorful background, glowing text, and my photo placed perfectly on one side. Now let's edit it. I am writing here, add 3 to 4 symbols of website in the thumbnails in it, and giving apply edit button. Okay, let's wait as it applying our changes. Yeah, if you can see our thumbnail, you can see that 3 and 4 website symbols, that web page kind of symbol on our thumbnail. So it works perfectly. You can directly download here from here. Okay, now let's try another one. This time I am uploading my headshot again and I am typing best 5 AI tools for 2025 and again clicking the generate button. Let's wait for 1-2 seconds. Okay, it had made another beautiful thumbnail for us. Bright, green and professional. Something you can easily sell to any YouTuber or creator. Now, here is the something cool. You can even chat with Google AI Studio inside the app builder and tell it things like add logo space, change color theme, and add more text options, and it will instantly update your app design. This means your app thumbnails maker can look and work exactly how you want. No coding, no design skills. Now, the last and third step of our video is deploy this app and start earning. Now, you can deploy your app in 3 easy ways. First will be download the app and host it on your own server. And the second will be connect it with GitHub if you want to improve and share it later. And the last and easiest option will be deploy directly on Google Cloud where you can even get $300 free credit when you start. Once it's deployed, your app is live, and now you can use it to create unlimited thumbnails or even share the app link with others. Now comes to the best part, making money from it. You can offer AI generated thumbnail design service on websites like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer, or even directly sell on Instagram and Telegram groups for content creators. Right now, people are charging between $5 to $20 per thumbnails. And using this AI app, you can create 5 to 10 thumbnails in a few minutes. You can even offer monthly packages and start getting regular clients. And remember, you are not just creating thumbnails, you are selling speed and creativity powered by AI. So that's how you can easily build your own AI thumbnail making app using Google AI Studio. Create something unique and start earning dollars online. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends who want to learn AI tools, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, everyone.